Hello, my name is Steve Bigelow with the Candlestick Forum. The uptrend in the markets continue, even though the markets traded lower, the Dow traded lower on Friday. The end of the day, they brought it back up to close above the T-line. Very simple statistical assumption. As long as the indexes continue to trade above the T-line, it has to be assumed the uptrend remains in progress. As you can see, the T-line's been acting as a support level for this very slow uptrend. However, over on the NASDAQ, continued to trade higher, traded off, but near the end of the day, they brought it back up on some strong buying. This is making a lot of the breakout patterns work effectively, which the candlestick signals will identify. But the strong sectors this week are the softwares, still in the biotechs and medical, and the utilities are starting to come up pretty strong. So software such as MGNI, look at the J-hook pattern, get ready to buy on positive trading on Monday. There's numerous stocks in the software area that are showing good strength. And the utilities are acting well. Another J-hook pattern setting up in clean energy. A few of those stocks working nicely. This one can be bought on positive trading, anticipating the next wave up on positive trading on Monday. And some of the drugs and medicals are still working. SMGO, you can see the big J-hook pattern after the initial breakout, the consolidation, and then they told you the selling had stopped with this bullish harami. And then now you're starting to see the buying come in. Expect a 45-degree off of this one. But here's what's the big factor when the market is in a steady uptrend. Investor sentiment gets much more confident, or at least investor sentiment is not being hesitant with any selling pressure, because there hasn't been any yet, as long as the indexes remain above the T-line. So you're seeing things like this, Blink doing a wedge breakout, anticipating that this could also be a strong move of this magnitude. FCEL was recommended for the same scenario. Look at the wedge type formation, and now you've had a breakout, also has the capabilities of a wave 3 being the same magnitude as wave 1. Pattern breakouts are going to work much more effectively because they are the exuberance that comes into a pattern breakout from exuberant investor sentiment that allows the price moves to be much more excessive, because there's right now not any major fear of the market selling off at this point. So you want to take advantage of not only the signals, but also pattern breakouts. And these will be beneficial in the sense that a pattern will produce much greater profitability than merely uptrending stocks during an uptrending market, because the magnitude of a pattern breakout usually can be calculated by, say, wave 1, wave 2, going into wave 3. Information providers, again, still working well to the upside, and the breakouts are being illustrated by, for example, your best friend. Notice the resistance, best friend gap up from a doji right off the T-line. Anticipate wave 3. As long as the Dow continues to trade above the T-line, investor sentiment is not going south or turning bearish. This allows investors to take advantage of some of these strong price moves from pattern breakouts. That'll be it. We'll see you in the chat rooms.